EasyAR is the SDK that we're going to be using in order to create our augmented reality app. To download it, you have to first go to the easyar.com website and create an account. Up here, there's a sign up button, so just click that and enter in the required fields. I've already created an account, so I'm just going to sign in. Fill in details in the sign in page. Sign in. And you should then be taken to the Developer Center. Here, this is where we're going to generate our SDK license key, which allows our specific app to be able to use EasyAR. So, to generate a new SDK license key, simply click on the button at the top, and it will take you to this page. For the purpose of these tutorials, we're just going to be using the basic license, so just tick that. And down here in app name, you can enter in whatever app you want. For this example, I'll just call it app name. Since we're not specifically targeting iOS in these tutorials, I'll leave that blank, but if you are, you can enter it in. Keep in mind that all these details can be changed later on, but for now, we'll just keep it to the basics. So down here in package name for Android, we can enter in our details. The layout for the Android package name is your company name, in this case Zenva, and your product name. In this case, since we're using app name, we'll just go app name. Once you have these details filled in, simply click on confirm, and you should be taken back to the page where your app is now at the top. Simply click on the name, and here's your SDK license key ready to be used. Simply copy this and keep it on hand, as we'll be needing it soon. Now, to download the actual SDK, we need to go back up to the EasyAR website, back to the home page, and then go to download. Here, we want to go over to the right and download the EasyAR SDK Basic for Unity, the Unity package. It's around 75 megabytes, so it might take some time to download. Now that the download is complete, we can open up the zip folder, and here you'll see our Unity package, and this is all we need. So, to get it out of the zip, let's just extract it anywhere, really, doesn't matter. We just need it out of the zip. And now let's go back. Now open up your Unity project, right click in your project window, go import package, custom package. Now you want to navigate to where your package was. Here it is. Just double click on that. It might take some time to decompress it and import it. And here are all the assets can import. Just hit import then. Great. Now we have EasyAR installed in our project, and we're ready to start developing our AR. But there's a few things we have to do first. First of all, we are still in the PC, Mac, and Linux standalone build of Unity, so we need to go to File, Build Settings, and actually switch platform over to Android. This may take some time depending on how large your existing project is, but as you can see, it's pretty quick for us. Okay, so once that's done, you want to go Player Settings, and scroll down to the package name. Here, if you remember from before, we have to simply enter in that package name we entered in on the EasyAR website. That was com.zenva.appname. And enter in whatever app name and company name you entered in before. Now, another thing with EasyAR, if we stay here, we have to disable Auto Graphics API, and the thing about EasyAR is that it uses a different graphics API than the default ones for Android. So simply click on the plus and select OpenGLES 2. There we go. And that is all we need to do to set up EasyAR.